Okay, on the debate tonight, the question is very simple. Did the government try to interfere in IIT Madras by telling them what to do? This is India's national talking point tonight. Smriti Irani says, I didn't want to interfere in IIT Madras. I don't want to interfere in what is going on in an autonomous institution. But this has become a freedom of speech issue. This has become a democracy issue. This has also become a Congress versus BJP issue. Don't shake your head, Rahul Ishwar, there. But truly it is. If someone had banned you for speaking your mind, Rahul Ishwar, you'd be the first person out there going on the offensive. Just because you're not being targeted, don't be playing safe on this side. Come out on what you think is right. Now,
I don't air hate speeches. I don't have hate speech.
Why is the hate speech here, Rahul? Let's be logical. I'll come to you in a minute.
I have the poster with me, which was released by the Periyar Group, and the poster says that Ambedkar Periyar Study Circle, 14/4/2015, IIT Madras, and the line says an initiative by IIT Madras. Last paragraph reads, Ambedkar proposed to annihilate the caste system by destroying Hinduism, which is absolutely wrong. Hinduism is a veritable chamber of horror, and it must die for the caste to vanish. Hinduism should be destroyed and Hinduism should die.
Person at a time. What Hindu phobia? Rahul Ishwar, 1 minute.
Have it with 14.
Just like there is
Clearly
Islamophobia perpetrated by some in the West. This is a kind of Hindu-phobia. This is not about technicality. This is about generating Hindu-phobia, which is as bad as Islamophobia. You are quoting Ambedkar out of context. You are quoting Ambedkar out of context. You are misusing the great Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Give me 2 lines.
Okay, Rahul Ishwar.
Give me 2.
Rahul Ishwar.
In my campus, if somebody wrote demolish Islam or demolish Christianity, as a proud Indian, I'll be standing up against it. And remember, in our land, even Bala Saheb Thackeray's voting rights were cancelled because he crossed the Lakshmana Rekha. Even a leader of the great stature, Bala Saheb Thackeray's voting rights were cancelled. He was disenfranchised. When Subramania Swamy was crossing a line, as many people believe, Howard disengaged with him. Whether it is far right or far left, there are some Lakshmana Rekha we should all respect.
And I want Kancha Ilaiah to respond to Rahul Ishwar. 1 second, please. Together, can I only have Kancha Ilaiah and Rahul Ishwar on the screen, please?
When Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, clearly in his interviews with Arnab himself said that Hinduism is not a religion, it is a way of life as the Supreme Court has defined it. Now, how can somebody destroy a way of life?
No, what's it?
Destroy it.
Okay.
Now, that is the question that you should also...
Kancha Ilaiah, only one question. In our long history, we have had mistakes. We concede. Ambedkar ji was a great reformer who rectified our system. We respect. Should we be prisoners of our past and fight the old ghosts in the present era? What happens if a Hindu right-wing organization has this argument against other religions? Shouldn't we have secularism in our campuses, communal harmony in our campuses?
No.
Let us not take it to a far left or a far right extreme. Ambedkar ji is a very diverse philosopher who should be respected in the context of what he said.
No.
If I have a disease in my hand, will I cut my hand off? Casteism was a disease we had. My question is this: if I have a disease,
can you please pull back for a minute? Rahul Ishwar, 1 second. Now it's time to be. No, 1 second. Fantastic argument, and may I say so, Mr. Kesavan. Now let me come to the nub of the issue. The nub of the issue tonight, if you allow me, is the fact that there are viewers across 80 countries and the length and breadth of India who are watching this debate tonight, and that is the beauty. That is what makes me so proud to be an Indian. What you're saying by this same argument tonight, would you say arrest Kancha Ilaiah tonight? For Kancha Ilaiah quotes Ambedkar.
We are totally with Kancha Ilaiah.
And I think, no, please.
Kancha Ilaiah ji, only one thing. Casteism was a disease. Let us not cut our hands. Let us cure the disease.